driving for the past half an hour on top of the mountain, and we are at the mountain top, which is the mountain cap, where all the ice is just beside us. And just to realize that how enormous the mountain is. It's been half an hour and I'm still on top of the mountain top. So you can imagine the massive scale and the size of the whole entire mountain here. And there are probably hundreds of them around. I'm just driving across one or two mountains and we are right on top for the past half an hour and still driving. It's still not end yet. Just to recap on what I've